No oven, no microwave for today's recipe. We are making our all-time favorite dessert mini chocolate cakes in Paniyaram mold. And I have shared some tips on how to cook these cakes properly without burning them. So let's get started. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons ghee, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, mix it well. Then add half a cup wheat flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of baking soda and salt. Combine all the ingredients properly. Gradually add half a cup lukewarm milk. Silicone spatula works well for removing lumps. I have this small Paniyaram pan or called Appam pan. Place this pan on the small burner. Don't turn on the burner yet. Grease the pan with ghee and pour the batter. Place a small piece of chocolate in the middle. Then cover with the batter again. Now you can turn on the burner and keep the flame low. Then cover the pan with the lid. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. When the cakes are cooked from the sides and start looking like this, then turn off the burner and leave it like this for 5 minutes. If you cook it too long, the bottom of the cake will burn. To prevent burning, turn off the burner and let the cake cook through with its retained heat. Ensure it stays covered. Don't cook from both sides. The top of the cakes will cook on its own due to the heat. And there you have it, perfect mini chocolate cakes. Look at them, they are properly cooked. That's pure chocolatey goodness. Try it and you will not regret.